Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Samsung account. First, open your browser. Then, go to account.samsung.com. Click on Create Account. For getting news and a special offer, you can agree this option. Or if you're not, you can select Agree. Then, enter your email. In this box, you should create your password. Then, confirm your password. Enter your first name. Here, you should enter your last name. Here, enter your birthday. For example, this is a day, this is a month, and this is a year. Then, select Next. This is a small test to find out that you are not a robot. Then, select Verify. In this step, you should go to your email. Please open your mail. This is your PIN. Please enter your PIN. Then select Next. Click on Done. Please select Not Now. Now you have a new Samsung account. If you like this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe this YouTube channel.